Hi guys, today I'm reviewing Lacura. This is by Aldi. It's Care and Repair Cocoa Glow Body Lotion. That's pure cocoa butter, guys. Alright, this is 400 grams. Alright, that's the Aldi logo there. Right, I'm going to try some of this. You can certainly smell that. I mean, I can smell that really, right from here. And smells kind of vanilla-y, but certainly feels nice on the skin, absorbs well, excuse me. And Lacura is not bad. I've had Lacura before. It's kind of okay. Some people swear by it. Some of the Aldi and Lidl have had some really write-ups about their moisturiser, but this being a body lotion, it's got 24-hour moisturisation there. I just thought I'll do it. It smells gorgeous, feels nice on the skin, seems to absorb really well. Yeah, probably can recommend that, guys. Not that it's a friend of mine's, so I thought I'd review it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you decide. Why not subscribe? I'll catch you later.